In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add product reviews for free on your Shopify platform. The convenience of online shopping coupled with the assurance of high-quality products can significantly enhance your conversion rates. By showcasing genuine customer feedback, it's easy to increase consumer trust and encourage potential buyers. Let's get into the process. First and foremost, you need to access your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are logged in, spot the button named Apps from the line of action points and click on it. Directly following this, you'll find another button labeled the Shopify App Store. Clicking on this available option will redirect you to the store where we'll find the app we need to conduct app-based reviews. Now we'll want to search for the app named Judge.me. This app is the key that unlocks the ability to allow customer reviews on your Shopify products. Once you enter the name in the search bar, you'll find the app called Judge.me Product Reviews. Click on it, and then hit the Add App button that follows. The next step is actually installing the app in your store. To do this, find and click on the Install App button. Once the app is installed successfully, it's time to navigate back to the main territory of our dashboard. Click on the words Online Store that are followed by a click on Themes. In the Themes section, you will see your current active theme. Search for the button labeled Edit Themes right next to it and click on it. The next action step leads us to a new page where you need to click on an icon labeled App Embeds in the left side menu. With the App Embed settings page opened now, toggle on Judge.me. Don't forget to hit the Save button to store the changes we just made. Next up, look for the Theme Editor top bar and select Products option, followed by Default Product. To proceed, engage with the left panel interface and click the button labeled Add Section. Continuing with the process, look for the Apps tab and select the option that reads Review Widget. Do you see the widget block? Grab it and simply drag it to the position you want it to appear in. Once you are satisfied with the placement, you guessed it, click Save. Congratulations, you have successfully set up the product reviews function on your Shopify store. Now your customers can easily review your products, providing valuable feedback and insight. Enjoy the benefits of increased trust and authenticity that come with product reviews.